Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 28th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty nice little push down on really all the dollar pairs. This actually did break structure a little bit, and this move up right here I think is very clearly an uptrend, 5 waves. Most likely this move down is an A. I actually expect there's a pretty good chance this move up is a wave B, which is a question to the wave A, and I think that this should go down at least one more time, maybe to the 58 or 61.8 for a wave C, most likely setting itself up for a nice long opportunity. I would expect this 5 waves up to be either a wave A or a wave 1. I think these 3 waves down is either going to be a wave B or a wave 2, and then we would get either a wave 3 or a wave C, which the best thing to do would be enter at the end of this wave B, and then we could learn and earn whether it's a wave 3 or whether it is a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.